Are board exams 2022 cancelled in Maharashtra? Students expressed that the online lectures are not sufficient to be prepared for the offline exams. A large number of concerned students have launched the Cancel Board Exams 2022 trend on Twitter and requested the state government to conduct the Maharashtra HSC Board Exam 2022 online. As the Educational Minister of Maharashtra, Varsha Gaikwad, tested positive in the previous week, students raised concerns regarding offline board exams. Students expressed that offline exams should not be expected from students when the infection is spreading at such an alarming rate. As of now, board exams have been scheduled to be conducted in an offline mode only. Although students are flooding Twitter with Cancel Board Exams 2022 trend and are expecting a better change. In response to this, Education Minister Varsha Gaikwad claims that decisions regarding offline board exams were made after consulting schools, headmasters, teachers, principals, and analysts. Students expressed that the online lectures are not sufficient to be prepared for the offline exams. They further added that teachers were trying to cover a chapter in a day, in order to cover the entire syllabus, while being away the rest of the time during online lectures. Students expressed that the online exams are not in their favor, as the vaccine drive has just started for the children aged between 15 to 18 and will take at least 3 months to cover the entire population. Until then, no students are ready to attempt the offline board exams. The Maharashtra School Board for Secondary and Higher Secondary Education has already released the Class 10th and 12th board exam schedule. Class 10th SSC board exam is scheduled to be held from March 4 to April 7, 2022, whereas the Class 12 HSC board exam is scheduled to be held from March 15 to April 18, 2022. Schools and colleges have been ordered to shut down in several parts of Maharashtra. Hence, students are eagerly expecting the announcement of the 2022 online board exams.